Hi guys, today's video we're going to create a LED flasher using IC556. So first, we'll go to a website called Tinkercard and create a new project. So we'll get our components that we're going to use. First is battery 9 voltage battery, and next is the breadboard, small breadboard, and the next is the LED. Next is LED. Four pieces of LED. And then next is 8 resistors. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next is capacitor. 2 capacitor. 2 pieces of capacitor. Then next is polarized capacitor. 2 pieces of polarized capacitor. And then the 556 dual timer. First, we're going to place the 556 dual timer at the center of breadboard. Next is the polarized capacitor. Next is the first resistor, and change to 100 ohms of resistance. We'll place it in the first pin of 556 dual timer. The second resistor, change to 220 kilo ohms of capacitance. Place in the next is capacitor, and then the LED. We're going to place it beside here, and then the third resistor with the resistance of 390 ohms. Connect to the first LED. Connects to the anode of first LED. Set the fourth resistor with the resistance of 390 ohms. connects to the terminal 2 of third resistor. And the next, the second LED connects to in between of the third and fourth resistor. Change po na to. Sa'yo. Next, the third LED, we're going to place in side of breadboard. The fifth resistor with resistance of 390 ohms connects to the cathode of third LED. Then seventh resistor with resistance of 390 ohms connects to the, I'm going to place it above the third LED. And then next is the last resistor, the resistance of 100 kilo ohms. I'm going to place it next to the first and second LED. Then the resistor, the last resistor with a resistance of 220 kilo ohms. And then the capacitor, the last capacitor, we're going to place it in next to the last resistor that we'll place in. So we're having the wiring. The positive charge connects to the resistor, and the resistor connects to the resistor 1 that connects to the pin 1 of 556 dual timer. And then next, the cathode of the first LED light connects to the negative charge, and the cathode of first LED light connects to negative charge of polarized capacitor, and the terminal of resistor connects to the pin power, and then the resistor of next to the last LED connects to resistor of the pin power and connects to the cathode connects to the output B. I'm going to place the third LED light. LED connects to the cathode connects to the output B of 556 dual timer. Cathode connects to output A. Cathode connects to the negative charge of polarized capacitor. And the terminal 1 connects to the positive charge of polarized capacitor. And terminal 2 of the polarized capacitor connects to the negative charge of polarized capacitor. And then the terminal 2 of resistor connects to the terminal 1. And then connect the terminal 2 connects to the reset B of the 556 dual timer. Then terminal 1 connects to the control B. Terminal 1 connects to the threshold B terminal of resistor. Terminal 1 of resistor connects to the triggered B. Then the negative charge connects to the first capacitor, terminal 1. Terminal 1 connects to the first pin of the first resistor, and then the positive charge of polarized capacitor connects to the second pin. The negative charge of polarized capacitor connects to the ground of 556 dual timer, and the resistor connects to 6 pin. The negative charge of polarized capacitor connects to the second negative charge of polarized capacitor, and then the negative charge of breadboard connects to the negative charge, and then the positive negative charge, the black one, connects to the negative charge of breadboard. The positive charge, the red one, connects to the positive charge of the breadboard. So let's try. So there's something wrong with the wiring. It didn't work. So terminal 2 of resistor tungos doon kay nasayop og wiring. LED terminal 2 connects to the output B. Terminal 2 of resistor connects to the output B, and then so let's try. So guys, the 4 LED light is now blinking. So the wirings are now in correct position, and the components. So guys, that's all. Thank you.